Okay, so if you are using HyperOS or using MIUI, then you can also explore some great features on your device after rooting your device, and you don't need to use custom ROM for sure. I mean, some of you actually want to use it, but in case you don't have the option, you don't have the ability to use that, simply root your device, install this module named as HyperSealer, and it will unlock a lot of features on your device. If you're using Xiaomi device, Poco device, using HyperOS or basically using MIUI, most likely if you're using HyperOS, then this module is for you. Which are the features available in this one? Let's have a quick look at all of these features. Moving into the HyperSealer option, some of these framework features are there. For example, disable low API check. For example, some apps are not compatible with Android 14 or Android 13. This option will be able to, by enabling this option, you will be able to bypass that restriction. Second one is in the lock screen settings, random pin. It's not a major thing, but it is a quite underrated feature which should be available in most of the devices, which should be available in every device. Actually, you can randomize the pin keypad order, and how to do this, as you can see, this is the thing which I was talking about. Whenever you try to open and whenever you try to fill the password, the lock screen pin, the digits will be randomized every time, and this is a very useful feature and quite underrated. Not many of you talk about this one. Another one is, which is one of my favorite right now, like for example, if you're using Xiaomi's separate device where you do not have any SIM card available, unfortunately the no SIM card icon in the status bar doesn't look good at all, and there is no way to hide that. But by using this module, you can do so. You can move on to the manage icons options, and you can enable or disable any icon from here, and there are some exceptions available for other icons too. Moving on to another thing which is right now available in this module after a long time. Previously, when I made video on this one, this thing was not there. Now you can switch the control center side. By default, control center opens from the right side, but by using this one, you can enable the control center from the left side. Not just that, you also have the option to enable some of the customization there. For example, these things which are present in the modded edition of HyperOS, you can enable these tiles on a quick settings panel. And by the way, if this is not working, if any one of these features is not working, what you have to do is you have to restart the system UI, not reboot your device. You just have to reboot system UI, and that is it. And this is how, as you can see, you can use 4 big tiles, 3 big tiles, and you can explore a lot of extra things. There are many options available for you to customize, to explore. If you install this thing on your device, you will get to know more. Moving on to the security options, you will notice there are a lot more extra options available for you in the terms of everything. You have the options, you have the tweaks related to battery, like you can enable the battery temperature option. You also have the option related to privacy protection, manage apps, and a lot more things. HyperOS already have a lot of options for you to configure, but by using this module, you will be able to enable and explore insane number of customizations, insane number of features. It's not possible to cover all of these features and customizations in just one video, but after installing this one, you'll get to know more how the things are going on, which are the things available, and you need to find out them. This is it. These were things I just wanted to let you know. Just install it as an APK file, enable from LSposed, and that is it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.